When Max Mara asked me to work on this store, I was amazed at how great the location was. It has a view of the Eiffel Tower. It's on a corner on one of the most important shopping streets in Paris, in Avenue Montaigne. And what I wanted to do is show that the Italians had arrived. I wanted to fire an unexpected Italian firework over Avenue Montaigne and make people sit up and notice. This store is a play on camel. The camel classic overcoat is the iconic coat of Max Mara, and why not play on that idea? We've used camel-coloured vitreous enamel, very, very high quality, for the shop front, some bronze framing, some simple pale, slightly pinky vanilla walls inside made of marmorino, which is a traditional Italian material, and a simple terrazzo, very slightly glossy floor, again, Italian, typical. And this piece of Italy is landing here in the center of Paris, and to grab people's attention from the street, we've created one very bold element, which is a stair. The staircase is the most eye-catching element of the store, and it's meant to grab people's attention, and you can see it even from across the street. At night it's illuminated. You see a double orange helix rising from the ground floor right up to the ceiling of the first floor. And even at the first floor, the ceiling has been polished so that you get reflections of the stair traveling as if up even higher in the building. The structure of this stair, it starts on the ground floor, supported on 2 points, and it twists up to the ceiling of the first floor. It's the naked structural expression of what you need to support these wide steps, cantilevered, floating. All extraneous elements of design have been removed. The design of this stair was a collaboration between my company, Sophie Hicks Architects, and Arab Structure. Each step is supported on an arrow of steel which pierces one helix and then reaches the second one where it's restrained, providing the backspan support for these wide steps. We've made 2 large illuminated screens in this store. They're covered in linen. They show very slowly and abstractly the weather conditions in real time in Reggio Emilia, which is the home of Max Mara. And these weather conditions are transposed onto images from the heritage of Max Mara that are very slowly scanned. And the resulting quiet movement of light in the distance on each floor of this store is intended to sort of magnetically attract customers to the far distant end of the shop. I wanted to make one artisanal element in this store because Italian artisanal workmanship is so important. So I went to Murano, an island in the Venetian lagoon, which has been making glass for centuries, and I have cast panels of glass here for a tabletop with white and ivory and crystal glass bleeding and oozing into each other. And these 15 large panels are supported on a rather slim technical frame, the silhouette of which is reminiscent of the structural concrete frame of the original Max Mara factory in Reggio Emilia. But here, for the table, again, accentuating the camel characteristics of Max Mara, I've had it plated in shiny pink copper. Airiness and openness are very important for this store. The materials in this store flow seamlessly. The terrazzo from the outside, with the small pebbles, flows into the store for a certain distance and then changes into a smooth, polished terrazzo, and that's used through the whole 750 square meters. The garden here at Max Mara is important because Max Mara are very lucky and have the largest garden in Avenue Montaigne. So we've really made something of it. We have planted 22 willow trees, which will change with the seasons, becoming a deep dark red in the winter. I couldn't believe it when I came here first and discovered that they have a view of the Eiffel Tower from their corner window. So of course we put the bag of the moment with the Eiffel Tower behind it. Irresistible.